Whoa, hey. Alright, I guess Sunday also means my place is closed. Whoops. Okay, that is a bummer. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the Logbook. My name is Jeff, but you can call me Jefinately. And we're in Morelia, in Michoacan, I believe it's pronounced, Mexico. We have 12 days left on Gunter's temporary import permit, so we're heading north. Yesterday, I don't know if you saw that, hopefully you did. Sorry, I had to fix 2 punctures on this bad boy, so now inside there is a 3mm tube, which will get me, I should last for quite a long time. This tire is almost shot. I don't have any spare tubes, not cool, so I'm not gonna head into the madness of the backcountry without a spare tube. I mean, we saw yesterday. Breakfast is free here, so I'm gonna go grab that, and then we will figure out what we're gonna do. Alright, so we've got buffet style, and we've got refried beans, we've got, looks like, oh, chilaquiles and eggs, and I'm gonna have all of it. This is really good. Oh, this is the hot sauce from last night, which is really good. So, that was a really good breakfast. I had way too much. But the plan, I think, because we can't go in the dirt, Guadalajara is not very far away. So what we could do is we could just rip there. I'll show you on the map. But we could just rip there and then get some new front and back tire. And then we're good to go. So we'll see how that goes. I think that's the best plan, and we'll just figure it out from there. All right, let's hit the road. All right, mapping it up here. What do we got? Okay, so last episode we took forever to get out of Mexico, Ciudad de Mexico. Then we just found ourselves on regular roads for the longest time, and then we tried to go up this way. That didn't work. Then we went over here, and then we tried to go in the dirt over here, and it was fun, and then we got lost, and then we decided, let's get the hell out of here, and then we went back up and just rode roads because of flat tire issues, which was really, really stressful, and then we made ourselves into Morelia. So yeah, this was the trouble area right around here. But we're safe and sound. Now, we're headed to Guadalajara, which is where we're gonna definitely find a tire, or new sets of tires. So let's just gun it there. So that's just gonna be highway. Whoop. It's pretty early still, so I mean, I could wait it out and get a tube here, but it's still really early. And if we remember anything from the last episode, that's just not, you kind of want to have as much time in your pocket as possible. I'm going the wrong way, as I do. You may notice that Turbo, the camera Turbo, so I've named all the cameras. Turbo Chainsaw is the camera that you're looking through right now. This is Snake Dust, and you're looking through him right now. The Sistad camera, the one that I do my openings with and when I walk around and stuff like that. So that's the Sistad camera. Ships, who is Josh Ships, is the drone, because he always takes beautiful photos. And the Brady camera the Brady camera is broken and is inoperable, and Well, we didn't use him that much anyway. He's kind of useless. So, here we go. We're on our way to Guadalajara. You know la roja, por favor. ¡Tada! Es secreto.
Siempre lo tienen acá.
Sí. Porque trabajo en sábado, o no, es domingo, ¿sí? No church. Está bueno. Muchas gracias. Oh, yeah. Pagar. Gracias. Oh. Yay! Gracias. Hasta luego. And we are off after a riveting pit stop. Those green patches, those are all agave. So we're back in agave country. You know what that means? That means tequila. So there's been all of these, there's got to have been probably 10 by now. Like semis with, I don't know, the car haulers, I guess. But yeah, so there's been so many of them, and I have seen an insane amount of police parked on the side of the road, coming up alongside us with all of the lights on. So it must be, this is a convoy and with police protection, and it's a lot of National Guard and a lot of national police. State police? Yeah, state police, I think. So, yeah. This must be a big deal. Alright, which one's the cash ones? Alright, straight ahead. Okay. Ooh, jeez. 125 pesos. 10 bucks. Oh, I guess no, free. Hola, ¿cómo está? This is very close to being a 500 peso trip. Very close. Gracias. Oh. Not the most social person in the world, but we can all forgive her for that. It's Sunday. Okay, we're in Guadalajara. Traffic's pretty light. I think it's because it's Sunday, which is nice if you ever want to be getting a traffic-free day in Latin America. Go out on Sunday. So we're not too far away from the old Today's Moto, which is where I got some work done before. So when I was there, I saw that they had D606 tires in stock. So if I can get a set of those, or at least a rear, then I'm good. That'd be awesome. I don't know what front I'll go with. I haven't really tried many fronts in down this way, so we'll have to see. Alright, we're just about here. So the what I also need to do whoa, hey. Alright, I guess Sunday also means my place is closed. Whoops. Okay, that is a bummer. You know what? Let's get tacos, and we'll figure it out. Tacos. Gracias. Gracias. So I scarfed down some really good tacos. I looked at the map. I looked at when that place is open. It's open tomorrow at 10. So I'm gonna get a hotel here because I'm not gonna find a D606 tire anywhere else, I don't think. On Sunday, it's just not gonna happen. So got a hotel, same one actually I stayed in last time I was here, which was awesome. So we'll probably cook tonight, which is gonna be great because there's a butcher down the street. So yeah, if you want to see what that was all about, I'll put the link on the card, so I think it's up there. Anyway, so I think I got a little bit to check in, so I don't know, go nearby. Lucky we got to get into the building a little early, and that's awesome. This is going to be a tough one. Gracias. Oh, shade. We're in the room. I don't know if you remember this one, but this is great. I got a fridge, a huge TV, all of that. The bathroom is enormous. I don't know where the light is. But more importantly, check this out. So it is the next day, and I have already dropped my laundry off at laundry place down the street, and we are going to drop off Gunter at Tres Moto and get a rear tire and a front tire on, and I'm going to get him to go through print out and get all the error messages from the computer. So I'll at least know what I'm getting into, see if I can get anything fixed now. But yeah, we're running out of days, and we got to keep moving. So making every day count, laundry, bike, and then we can roll out tomorrow, hopefully. So we're at Moto 3. I'm gonna go in and see if we can get get our work done. Awesome. So we're good to go. They've got a 606. And they've got a Pirelli Scorpion for the front, and those will get me going well. So I'm pretty excited about that, and we're going in right away. Yeah. Also very stoked on the Connect 4 building. I stopped off at the carniceria on the way home, the butcher, and picked up some bistec. So let's see if I can make it as good as the pros. Yeah. Alright, we're at the hotel. Does not look like we're gonna get Gunter back today or tonight, so probably tomorrow morning. That's the plan anyway. I've picked up my laundry, and now it's time for some food. So, at the carniceria, that's some bistec, which I have been loving. I didn't get any, usually you would put peppers and some onions on there. I didn't buy any of that stuff because I just buy any stuff. Anyway, so we're gonna go more of a classic method, which is just gonna be, I'm gonna use this weird seasoning that I got in Panama, I think. And then I'm also gonna try it just salt. So we'll see which one's better. Nothing too crazy. Now for the Panama spice. I feel like this is gonna be really good. So on one side we've got the salt, the other side is the Panama sauce. This is a Panama. Yeah. This is the salt. There's obviously a hot part and a less hot part. So it's not the best in the world, but we're gonna get it done. It's okay. So this is it. This is salty. This is Panama. This is cilantro and onions that I kept from yesterday's takeout food. A little lime. That's gonna make the salt one better for sure. Don't know about this one. And hot sauce. Alright, we're gonna start with good old salty. It's good. It's good. It definitely is only missing the onion and the peppers. Ooh, that's a unique spice. I'm gonna go with a Panama spice, whatever that is. This is really good. Oh, cooking is so much fun. Yeah. I guess tomorrow we're gonna go pick up the bike and get moving. Yeah, I think we're running out of days here, and we're still in Guadalajara. So anyway, that was it. So we had cooking, we had lots of just riding the roads, dropping off the bike. Yeah, it's a bunch of stuff. Not the longest episode in the world, but you know, whatever. So I hope you dug it. If you did, give me a little mini thumbs up or a big thumbs up or a high five, or share it with a friend. Probably not this episode. Yeah, tomorrow we'll figure out what's gonna go on, and yeah, so check in for that, and go out there and find someone, make them laugh. ¿Esta la ruta, la carretera seguro anoche? That was not the most confidence-inspiring nod.